baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got.
Where about shouting them over the knot and the stick? I need a coupon for that pussy. Cause you know I'm not paying. And I beat up a head.
Hey, what up, my kings and queens? What's up, my kingdom? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks. I'm back in the building. And first off, let me say to everybody that's out there, happy Thanksgiving to y'all, even though it's the day after. So I guess I'm saying happy Black Friday. I'm hoping everybody had a good Thanksgiving, man. Y'all comment down below. You know what I'm saying? What was the best part of y'all Thanksgiving? What y'all grabbed to eat, man? You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people was on their turkey thing, you know, ham, getting all the good old fixings and all that good old stuff, man. Then, you know, you get some people that don't even do turkey. So if you didn't do turkey, what did you exactly eat? Just saying. So today is Friday, Black Friday. Not doing all that Black Friday shopping and standing in lines and stuff like that. Your boy I don't participate in that type of stuff like that, man. I'm not with standing in lines, but I did pull up and I'm going to be grabbing these Bloodlines, man. So I did actually hit on 2 pair of them. I got a pair that's at a Finish Line, and then I did get a pair at Foot Locker. So I'm just debating. I really don't know if I just want to grab both pairs. I think I'm going to just let one of those pairs ride out. So I'm going to just get in here, go grab these pairs, and then we're going to jump back up in the castle, man, and then we're going to give my opinion on them, man. I know a lot of people passing up on these things, but we're about to see about it. You know what I'm saying? So let's go get it. My bad, peeps. I forgot. You know, we got to do it on feet, man. So, you know, your boy rocking it old Jordan 1 shirt. Definitely going to get some ones. So, you know, your boy has got to rock some ones. So, I decided to rock these today, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I might take that and put that on my IG. Ooh. Yeah, I might have to go on and these 12s always had this glue problem.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like out of all the Jordans that are coming out, they do the ones the most justice, like with material and like how it's made.
Yeah. See that, my people, the 12s.
All the ones that's been recently coming out?
Pretty much. What up, my kingdom? Back in the castle. Your boy, Kings 23 Kicks here, man. And the bag is secured, as y'all already know. So let's get to it, man. Let me give y'all my review of these things, man. OG Bloodline. Let's pop these bad boys out. My dog is running around here, man. Okay. 2 sets of shoestrings here. Now, one thing that I did notice when I went to go pick up this pair is that these are a lot alike the pair that I have on, which is kind of crazy. But we're gonna get into that in a few ticks. So pulling them out, man. First looks, man. These are, I mean, you can't go wrong with red, black, and white. Y'all know these are OG Chicago colorway. The first thing that does come to my mind, honestly, is Atlanta Falcons. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. And the reason why, I guess because I watched them last night. So these would really just pop with a Falcons jersey. Not that they wouldn't pop with a Bulls jersey or Jordan jersey, whatever you want to call it, but a Falcons jersey, these would be lit with it. Checking out the quality on here, I mean, it looks like they're pretty doggone soft, man. You guys check that out. So, I mean, you're looking at, it's basically a black and white Jordan Bloodline with the red going throughout the shoe, which is supposed to be the Bloodline. You're looking at the collar and it's real soft. Pretty daggone soft. You got your white nylon tongues and Nike Air branding on there. I mean, this shirt, my shirt literally goes with this shoe right now, which is crazy. I mean, you got your shoestrings, white, and you do have Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly shoestrings as well. So, I mean, on the upper, you have that black going over that white. And to be honest with y'all, I mean, red shoestrings. Okay, so in the insole on the floorboard, it says, Who Said Man Was Not Meant to Fly? It's actually in both shoes, same exact thing. These are pretty clean. So I would say, y'all comment down below, let me know, did you guys go after these? Or did you just say, I passed? Because there is a lot of stuff that is coming out this year, to be honest with you. Well, this month. As far as ones, these are similar to the Sports Illustrated ones. The only thing different, I mean, in comparison, they just changed the swoosh and the Wings logo that's on there, as well as the tongue. And plus on the Sports Illustrated, this is a leather tongue here. And I mean, if you're looking at the ones that I have on, I mean, it's damn near the opposite. But you have the red collar on here, the red swoosh, the red. So, I don't know. It's damn near the same thing, but I mean, even with these, this is a shinier leather. These are more like a matte leather. So, I don't know. I'm actually feeling these. Like I said before. Hang on, man. Tearing up stuff there. As I said before, I did hit on 2 pair of these, but I only just went and picked up one, which I went and picked up at Foot Locker because I've been dealing with Foot Locker a lot, and they were kind of closer. So anyway, you have your sizing tag in there. These, I'm not gonna say they're fire, but these are very decent. I am really feeling these. I like these. The leather quality on it is not bad. It's not as stiff as you think as most ones. So it's not as stiff. It's pretty good. The collar is pretty soft with the tumble. Has a lot of little tumble in it. So I can actually say my pair is decent. I'm really feeling these. I like these. Y'all let me know. Y'all comment down below. Did you guys grab these? Were you guys feeling these, or were these a pass for you? I did see that before I went and grabbed these. I did see that they were still, I don't want to say necessarily sitting, but they would still have pairs available. So I know a lot of people are not, feeling these. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what your opinion is on it. If it's a pass, a hard pass, or maybe this is something that you can come back and grab later on. Like I said, there is a lot of stuff coming out. I am like the mids. Y'all comment down below. Let me know, did you guys even go for any of the fearless mids that are coming out? To be honest with you, I've been taking L's on those. There is one more that's releasing tomorrow, which is the Mason Chateau. I do want to grab those. Those are available on sneakers. So hopefully I can kind of grab those, and we'll see if my luck changes. Maybe I can grab those. It's not a draw. But then, you know, you have the Dornbeckers and stuff that's coming out next week. So it's a lot of heat that's coming out, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all thinking, man, so we can chop it up in the comments. So y'all know I'm going to do it on feet with these. So add these into the kingdom. Alright, so that'll be my thumbnail there. Alright, but anyway, y'all comment down below. Let me know that you grabbed these. What's your opinion on these? The OG Bloodlines. This is, I mean, I got them because these are supposed to be representing who said men was not meant to fly. You know, when Jordan jumped from the free throw line, you know, he was flying, and you know, he amazed us all with the things that he was able to do that no one else is able to do, and even to this day it's hard to even try to pull off. So y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all guys for tuning in. To all my kings, stand up. To all my queens, y'all stand beside y'all king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.